Will this kind of makeup technique will last my makeup longer? Let's see. What's up everyone? I'm back. This is Rosie Balm with Love. In today's video, I'm going to show you how your makeup will last longer than it normally does. A lot of makeup gurus and makeup professionals have been using this kind of technique, and personally, I have been using this one for quite a while. And it's proven and tested that this makeup technique will last your makeup longer than it normally does. So without further ado, let's start this makeup magic madness. Hi everyone, I'm back. I already applied my makeup liquid foundation together with my eyebrow and then put some concealer on. So we're just going to dive into the main part on our makeup video. So this makeup technique that I'm going to present to you is called baking. Baking, as synonymous to cooking, is primarily applying a heavy amount of loose setting powder on the T-zone area. Those are the forehead, the bridge of our nose, the side of our nose, our chin area here, and then on the cheek area, and mostly under our eyes. So these are the areas that we're going to target on our baking. So all we need to have is to use a loose setting powder and a beauty blender. Any kind of beauty blender you have at home or a loose setting powder will be fine. I have in here a translucent loose setting powder, and this is from Mercier. First things first, we're just going to dump our beauty blender, meaning it is soaked in water, and then we squeeze out all the liquid as much as we can. This is the loose setting powder. And then we're just going to press as much as loose setting powder as we can, and then apply it on our T-zone area. Under my eye, I get a lot of oil here. Don't worry if you get a lot of loose setting powder on your face, because you're just going to brush them off later. Press as much as you can the loose setting powder on your face, because it will set all the liquid foundation on our face. And we're just going to set this one for 5 minutes. Let it rest, and then we're just going to brush them off. Contour here. Then on the side of our nose. So I will leave my makeup like this for 5 minutes, and then I will be back. Hi everyone, I'm back. 5 minutes have passed by, so I'm just going to slowly brush off all the excess loose setting powder I have on my T-zone area using a soft fluffy brush. So I'm just going to slowly brush off all the excess loose setting powder first under my eye, forehead area, on the bridge of my nose. So I'm done with the baking process. What do you think, guys? Please write your comments down below. I will just apply some lipstick and then I will be back. Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm done applying all my makeup today. I'm just going to go through all my daily activity, and then I will be back to you guys to see the consistency of the makeup baking process. So see you in few hours or so. Bye! Hi everyone, I'm back. It's been like 4 hours since I finished applying my makeup, and I have done my daily activity for 4 hours, and we're just going to dive into our review for this makeup technique that is called baking. So I will let you see up close my left and the right side the inconsistency or any kind of creasing, any kind of movement of makeup. So I'll try to zoom in the camera so that you can see much closer how the makeup looks. Still it's looking nice or not. Mind you guys, I've been out for like 4 hours. I started filming this one around 10 a.m. and it's almost 2 p.m. so probably it's already 4 hours, the time frame since I last finished my makeup routine. And I will just check into you guys how the baking technique is really effective or not. I'm just going to zoom in my camera so that you can see much closer how my makeup is. So this is the closer look of my face on the left side, yeah, and on the right side here. So I can see the left side here, there's a bit of shine, and on the right side, the left and the right side, the shine is much more clearer than on the side of my nose. But on my chin area and on the side in here, it doesn't show much because these are the T-zone area that I put a lot of baking technique here. So on my nose bridge line, I don't see much oil. Mind you guys, it's very hot outside. It's because it's summer here in Thailand. I can pretty well say that the makeup's still looking nice. So it has been 4 hours since I finished my makeup. The makeup's still looking nice. I will be back after 2 more hours and give you my final update on my makeup. See you! Hi everyone, I'm back. It's been 6 hours since I finished filming my makeup baking technique, and it's also been 6 hours since I did not have any kind of makeup retouch or put some blotting papers to even out my makeup. So it is what it is organic. Right now, I'm just going to zoom in my camera so you can see much closer how my makeup. I look oily right now after 6 hours. So if we can assess my makeup right now in here on my forehead area, you can see the buildup of oil in here. It's a lot of oil right now. It's like 80% so oily. And then on the side of my nose here, under my inner corner of my eye, you can see the oil. The buildup of oil is there. It's shiny and oily. And then on the side of my nose here also, this side of my nose here. And then on the cheek, the inner corner of my cheek line here, the buildup of oil is much more. But on the chin area, it's growing. The oil is growing now. I'm just going to show you some pictures 1 hour before filming this video right now. Some pictures that I took. So these are my final thoughts and observations of this makeup baking technique. I hope if you have the time, you can do this makeup technique also because it is proven and tested that your makeup will last longer. If anything I have missed out during the makeup tutorial, any kind of suggestions, advice, or future makeup tutorial, you can DM me or you can write your comment down below here. So I hope you like this makeup tutorial, guys. See you on my next vlog. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye!